Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter 9 of your textbook mathematics. Name is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. But in this session we will discuss only about the arithmetic progression or AP. Before going to arithmetic progression, let us have some idea about a sequence. There are so many sequences of mathematical numbers where we know what we have solved. Example, suppose 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is also sequence which is a square of natural number, sequence of square of natural numbers. I can write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. This is the sequence of odd numbers. Similarly, I can write 1, 8, 27, 64, 1 to 5, 216, like that. This is the cube of 4 natural numbers. But here we are going to discuss today only a sequence which is in a arithmetic progression. Arithmetic means what? We have 4 operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Multiplication is a repetitive addition. Division is a repetitive subtraction. So if we conclude, so arithmetic operation means either addition or subtraction in this confines. Purely arithmetic operations. What is arithmetic progression? Let us know by an example. See, I'll write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, dot dot dot. Another one I'll write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. If you'll see in this sequence, each next number is increased by 2, increased by 2, increased by 2, increased by 2, increased by 2. In the second sequence, it increased by 5, it increased by 5, increased by 5, it increased by 5. If each next number is increased by 5, added by 5 from the previous number. So these are called as in AP. You can write 1, 4, 8, 7, 10, 13, 16 also, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Sir, just a question arises, might be coming to your mind. But is it only increasing or any decreasing is there? So increase means plus is agreed, but decreasing means what? Now what happens? Suppose I'll write a sequence. I'll write 50, 40, 30 and 20, 10, 0, minus 10. Here see, every number is added by minus 10. Or I can say that 10 is subtracted, minus 10. 10 subtracted or added minus 10. Like I can say anything. So this is also an AP. Clear? So these are, here the 2 is common everywhere, commonly added. Here 5 is commonly added. Here 3 is commonly added. Here minus 10 is commonly added. So this is called as a common difference, or denoted by common difference, denoted by D, small d. And the first term is denoted by A generally. Clear? So now we'll find the general term of an AP. How we'll find the general term? So let me erase this. We found that each next term of an AP is increased by the common difference. So T1, the first term, is equal to A. T2, the second term, is A plus increased by the common difference. What may be the common difference? Different sequence has different AP has different. So A T3 is equal to first second term plus d, second term is a plus d, that is a plus 2d. T4 is third term plus d, third term is a plus d, a plus 2d plus d, that is a plus 3d. Similarly, fifth term I will write fourth term is a plus d, a plus 3d plus d, that is a plus 4d. This way, similarly if you will go on adding, what will be the nth term, any term, just if you will go arrange the sequence little more. A is equal to, can I write a plus 0d, that I can write a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Similarly, a plus d, I can write a plus 2 minus 1 into d. This one I can write a plus 3 minus 1 into d. 2d is there, so I can write 3 minus 1. This is a plus 3d is there, I can write a plus 4 minus 1 into d. A plus 4d is there, I can write 5 minus 1 into d. If you see the sequence, you can observe that a plus 1 minus 1, a plus 2 minus 1, a plus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1. That means the sequence will be like that. A plus is there. See, first means 1 minus 1, second means 2 minus 1, third means 3 minus 1, 4 means 4 minus 1, 5 means 5 minus 1, so n means n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula for nth term and AP. I'll write this is general formula AP. So this is the AP. A plus D, a plus 2D, a plus 3D, a plus 4D. This is the AP serial whose general term, any term, if first term you know and common difference you know, any number of term, if any number term you can find. I hope I am clear. This is also called as a last term L. This is also called as a last term L or Tn, anything you can, last term A plus n minus 1 into d. It is also called as the last term of the AP. Last term, what it may be, if it has 20 terms, then last term is 20th term. It is also denoted by L also. I hope I am clear to everybody.